In this video, I'm going to show you how to post stories on TikTok. Now, in order for us to get this done, you can just go ahead and basically open your profile. And then from here, you can just go ahead and tap this plus sign right here. And then what you're going to do is basically select the image or the video that you want to post to your stories. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and say, for example, use this one right here, just like so. And then there is an option for me to post this to stories. But before that, you have here different settings of the things that you can do. You have the text stickers, filters, and all the other things even down here below. So go ahead and make use of those. But again, if you are ready to post them, go ahead and tap here your story, just like so. And then you are just going to wait for this one to be added. And there it goes. You can see there is now a circle outside of your picture. You can just go ahead and click that one, and it is going to redirect you to your TikTok story. And again, everybody, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.